Hey everyone, welcome to ClickGain, your new go-to place for YouTube growth tips. In today's video, I'll share 5 high RPM, USA-based faceless channel ideas you can start in 2025. And yes, these can make you money without ever showing your face. Let's dive right in. Idea number 1, finance and investing. This is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, especially in the US. You can create faceless videos on topics like budgeting tips, credit card reviews, or beginner investing guides. You could even break down complex financial terms using simple animations or stock footage. The RPM in this niche can go up to $20 or more. Idea number 2, tech reviews and unboxings. Americans love tech content. You can review the latest gadgets, compare smartphones, or showcase smart home setups. No face needed, just clean visuals and a solid voiceover. Plus, there's great potential for affiliate marketing in this niche. Idea number 3, health and wellness. This niche is always in demand. Create content around meditation, home workouts, diet hacks, or sleep improvement tips. You can use calm background music, B-roll footage, and a relaxed narration style. The health niche gets great ad rates and attracts a loyal audience. Idea number 4, educational facts and shorts. People love learning something new in under 5 minutes. You can share mind-blowing facts, explain science myths, or talk about psychology in an engaging way. Use animated text, visuals, and a clear voiceover to keep viewers hooked. This niche is perfect for viral shorts and faceless content. Idea number 5, productivity and self-improvement. Share life hacks, morning routines, time management tips, or study strategies. This content resonates well with US audiences, especially young professionals and students. The RPM here is also strong, and your content can be made using slides, text, and your voice only. If you found these ideas helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to ClickGain. Let me know in the comments which niche you'd like me to break down in detail next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.